So finally, yesterday was the first day of spring. Now is the second day of spring. We're here on the alignment rack at the shop. We got Chris in the back. So we're here. We're gonna be changing the clutch today. Got a max clutch stage 2. So full friction face, not a 6-puck because I don't want to destroy the transmission. But so here we are. Yeah, let's check it out. So this is where we left off basically last season. This is Fender's upstairs. I was thinking about changing it today actually, but so we had a little mishaps. So this broke. So I ordered an 06 Camry because they're the exact same part number. So yeah, Chris is gonna change that before we lift it, as I have no access to the trunk, and yeah. So it's not as easy as we thought it would be. So we took out the 2 bolts in the front. Chris is working on the bolts in the rear. Now we're gonna be removing the seat, unplug the seat, and then we're gonna try from there. So this is the clutch that we're working with here. Ah, that's not my problem. Clutch max. New pressure plate. Oh. Alright. This is the single mast flywheel we're working with. So, and then I'm not going to be using the release. Oh wow, great gloves. I'm not going to be using these bolts, nor am I going to be using this because I have an OEM one which I put in literally right before storage, so maybe it has 1,000 kilometers on it. And I was hoping that would fix my bearing issue, but it's most like it's my whole clutch setup. So because my clutch disc is bent from the previous owner, not installing it correctly. There's everything underneath. Come on, doing it one-handed. Sorry guys. There it is. So we're gonna be doing that today. Stay tuned. So what we ended up doing is moving the seat completely, lifted this carpet up, and then in here, all the cables are held in the stoppers and in this little union here, whatever you, right there, that little brace. So you just have to lift up the carpet, free them up, and that allows you to bring it forward and do all your servicing very easily. So here we are. Drive shaft is out. Just took off the hanger bolts, 4 bolts in the back, and just slipped it out. And we can lower this now, get it out of our way. Wheels aren't going to turn anymore, and now we can start taking the tranny out. Whew. Here we are under the car. Tranny's out. Hell of a fight. Definitely hell of a fight, but he's out. And now we're about to take out the old, throw in the new. So here we are. Look how destroyed this flywheel is. Ooh. Wow. Pretty rough shape. Clutch disc itself is alright condition. Pretty alright. No hot spots, but this. Look at that. Oh, destroyed. Ooh. Wow. Time for an upgrade. Yes, I'm in slippers because I stubbed my toe last night. Okay? Don't laugh. But that's that. Time to start untorquing this stuff. So here we are. We got the single mast flywheel on. There's the light. Left myself a little message there again when it comes time to change everything. So this is 36 foot-pounds all around in the torquing pattern, torquing sequence, and then 90 degrees basically on all of them after the 36 foot-pound. And I have shorter bolts with a single flywheel as opposed to these bolts with a dual mass. So yeah, now I attach the clutch disc, pressure plate, bolt it together, and then everything goes back together. So clutch pressure plate did not go on as planned. Oops, picked up a couple sockets here with my magnet. There we go. So this is what I mean by did not go according to plan. So these holes here for the clutch plate, I had to take a Dremel and open up the holes ever so slightly, like I don't know, mechanic terms, a cunt hair on each one. So now she's in, all good. I just got to grease these right here with a little bit of anti-seize, and then we can put the tranny back together. So here it is now dark out here. She's all in, everything's in. Oil is topped up. Oddly came together a lot easier than coming out, so that was a little odd, but everything's all buttoned up here as it should be. Oil's been topped up. Used some red line. What did I use? Red line 75/85 for the tranny, just to top it up. That's about it. So now we're just going to change the fender on the car and call it a day. Oh, we got to test the clutch, see if it works first. So we are done. Full day job, basically. Took me like an hour and a half to drop the tranny and put it back in. And today took like a whole day. Did a whole bunch of shit. Got a new fender on, so that's good. No more busty. No more. Finally got to look super nice, look super clean. I just wrap it. So that's it. As you see, it's off of the hoist. I don't have to do anything. Clutch was installed correctly. Fender looks a little odd, but easily fixed. And it looks mint. Finally, just I gotta get a new front bumper and headlights, and this thing is gonna look mint. Oh yeah, clutch is in, everything's in, driving nice and smooth. Because the clutch disc was on backwards, it's basically the pressure plate was warped, and it had this little like, as soon as you press the clutch pedal just a little bit, it would go away. So the pressure plate was bent, hence why I did all this, and I was slipping. So that's the adventures of Max and Chris. So yeah, so thank you for watching. That was everything. This is just a little, I guess, vlog or video, whatever, how to change your trunk release and fuel door release door, change the tranny. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more, and more videos coming soon, hopefully.